I have never seen damage like this before.
Oh my gosh.
So we saw a big hawk.
Two of them.
But
right as we lost the drone, we saw a big hawk fly right across the road, right from the area where we found the drone.
And the way it looks now, and the way it got hit, I mean, we'll have to take a look at the footage, but the way it got hit, it was violent, like one of those shark cams that you see on Shark Week. And it, I think a hawk came out and hit it for some reason, whether it thought it was a predator or intruding, or it thought it was prey. It just messed it up.
So that propeller was near the wreckage?
No, this propeller was over. This is the one you found over there.
No, this is the one I found.
Oh, okay. We between the two of us, we have one propeller. Obviously the impact on the ground caused damage too. But the bottom, look at how intact the bottom is. It looks like nothing happened to the bottom. I've crashed this into walls too. It doesn't look like this after the fact.
Did you get DJI care?
That was violent. Probably not. It's already an eventful day here. This is Magic Mountain Resort down a little bit south of Twin Falls. I did bring Brett and I brought my buddy Andrew. You know, it's not all bad. We came here on a great day because right now Magic Mountain is having a video contest. Whoever makes the best video wins some day passes. So we brought a full production crew here. If we can't win this without a drone, we're in the wrong business, so let's see how we do.
No!
Yeah!
Great.
Andrew's looking for the GoPro. We lost the GoPro with the first run. We'll see if he finds it. This is comical.
I hit the snowbank and I did a somersault. Totally forgot that I had this on. I think it got that. What do you think about your day so far? It's been a good day. I like the chairlift to ride time ratio. That's nice. It's a quick chairlift up and you can kind of take your time on the ride down. The snow's pretty good.
Now, what do you think it's like with the whole shooting process now that you've had to see what goes into a YouTube video like this and how ridiculous that all is?
It makes for a long day.
It's a super long day.
Stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. It's tough.
I know, it doesn't look as smooth as when you see the final product and it's like,
it's kind of exhausting actually.
This little mountain might be the most expensive ski trip I've ever taken with everything that's happened today and all the gear we've lost and cracked and broken. Excuse me, DJI, will you please replace my drone? I don't know what happened to it. But you know what? I got no complaints. It was a fun day. Magic Mountain has some magic to it. I don't know, it's a friendly environment. Everyone was happy here. Like, people are jamming, people are grooving, they're just loving the snow. They don't really care that it's not the biggest lift, that it's not the biggest mountain. They just love it. They're having a good time. They're going down inner tubes, they're grabbing burgers, they're learning how to ski, they're learning how to board, and I mean, I dug it. Now I'm gonna go find that hawk that took down the drone, repair that thing, and we'll be back next week. Thanks for watching.